Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be doing some work in my December daily today. I'm doing day 6, 7, and 8. And I have to apologize for the glare. There's really nothing I can do about it. I mean, it's a piece of, we're dealing with plastic here, people, so there's really like nothing I can do about the glare. But what I have in the book is I have day 6 and 7. I'm using the big, this little dude does not want to stay in here, so I think I'm going to have to staple him in. Day 6 and 7, I'm using the, let's look at my book for my day 6 prompt. So my day 6 prompt is right here. It's comfort and cozy. And then my day 7 is puzzles. So I'm going to do, I have bought a puzzle, Christmas puzzle. I love doing Christmas puzzles. So what my thought process is I was just going to put a picture of my, I'm going to put a picture of my pajamas. I got some really cute pajamas from Walmart. So I was going to put a picture of pajamas. I'm not sure if I'm going to be in the pajamas or if they're just going to be laid out somewhere. I'm not sure yet. And then I'm also going to do a picture of my puzzles, but my puzzles is going to be on this big picture because I have 3 different puzzles that I purchased. So I'm going to take a big picture of that and put that in here. Haven't done that yet. It's not day 6 or 7. But again, like I said in my day 4 video, you know, this is still day 4 actually. I'm still working on it, and this is day 4. December 4th. But I don't consider these like days. I consider these 24 stories that I want to share. I mean 25, well technically it's 24 because the prompts was the first one. So it's 25 things I want to do in this book. So it doesn't necessarily mean that I'm going to do them on those specific days. But I'm doing some pre-work right now on day 4 to kind of get ready for day 6, 7, and 8. So it really bugs me. This little dude is not staying in that pocket. So I need to figure out what I can do about that. But I definitely want this to say PJs and puzzles. And I think I actually have a sticker that says PJs. Let's look in here. That says PJs. PJs, yay. So I can put this, let's just do that. I don't know if I want to use the pink side or the gray side. Let's use the pink side. Why not? Oh, and then this one says warm and cozy. But my prompt says comfort and cozy. I could change it to warm cozy. I don't have a thing that says puzzles, so I will have to. So I was thinking like, it amazes me how quickly I can make a mess. Okay, so I'm just going to put some foam dots on here. And then on the photo, I can just write, put warm and cozy. So I'm going to put this down. I'm not real happy with my little ampersand choices. I don't think I have any other ampersands. So I will just have to go with it. I put a little washi tape up here just to kind of ground this a little bit. I can put it a little bit further over. I don't know if I like it just right in the middle or if I like it over. I think right in the middle. So PJs and puzzles. And then I'll have my PJs picture here and my puzzles picture will be a big picture. All right, let's call this done. Now that we've kind of done the prep and the last couple of clips, I'm going to go ahead and show you what I'm going to do with the rest of it. I told you yesterday that if I came up with an idea for day 5, I would show it to you, and I did come up with a thought for day 5. So I decided that I was going to take a picture of my little hull, and then I'm going to put this here. And I think I might, I don't know if it's going to show. And then I'm going to put this, come on, give me the picture. Thank you. I'm going to put this over here, and so it's like that. And then I wanted to add some journaling about shopping this season, because it has been quite different than it usually is for me. It's the 8th today. Yeah, it's the 8th today. And I am basically done with my shopping, which is not normal. It's not typical for me. I'm usually a kind of shop all December girl, but I didn't buy too many gifts this year, and I don't know, you know, I bought a lot of stuff online, and so I wanted to kind of just document that. I'm kind of thinking about maybe, instead of putting this over my photo, kind of making it part of the journaling card. I'm actually kind of liking how that's showing. I kind of like this too. Because I feel like it kind of plays off the stars that I put kind of in here. And then I thought I'm going to put in my Tuesday morning receipt, because why not? We'll just, I'm not exactly sure if there's any information on there that will be that I shouldn't be showing on the internet, so I'm just going to hide that. And then I'm going to take a piece of tape here. I'm just going to glue this down. I'm going to have to trim it, but I'm going to wait until I have it on the back of it before I trim it. And I know this is not like photo safe or whatever, but it's not really archival safe. So who knows how long this will actually stay in this book. So I just folded it up. And then I'm going to put this over this. And then I'm going to trim the sides up. I want it to be able to pull out of the pocket. So I'm going to trim the sides. I got to put a tab on it because I just keep using up these tabs. I find them very handy for the interactive elements. I'm just going to put this one on the back of here. All right, so there's that, and then, yay, cool. Then I can see how much I made, how much I spent, and what I bought. Cool. Of course, getting it in and out of the pocket is not very fun, but so this is what I did earlier. Oh, I didn't take a picture of my PJs. All right, well, I'll have to do that, and I'll do that in a minute. I did take the picture of my puzzle. I'm working on this one right now, the Santa Claus one. I bought 3 puzzles this year because last year I tried to find Christmas puzzles. I couldn't really find anything that I really liked, but I was looking like in December. I'm like, I guess you're not supposed to look for Christmas puzzles in December. So this year I decided I'm gonna look for them in November. So I ordered this like kind of like, actually I might have ordered them even in October. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the sleeve. I think I want that in the sleeve. So that is gonna go in here. And then I do need to take a picture of my PJs still and put that in there, so I'll do that in a second. But I do want to, because this is not really fitting in the pocket. So I feel like I need to, I think I probably want to add journaling cards behind this, and I think I have the one that I would like to use. And I think that'll help bring in that color. So I'm just going to cut this in half. We're going to see if that helps it. So I put just a tiny little, I have these teeny bitty glue dots. And you literally cannot see it. So hopefully that'll keep it from popping up. And then I wanted to add just a couple more things to this. I want to write the word haul on here. I think I will do it with red stickers. Yep, I think with these ones. H-A-U-L, got them all. Okay, perfect. Got all the letters. Let's start with L. Okay. Yeah, I like that. Phrase sticker from Allie Edwards, the Tuesday morning, or the December daily. It says, to show you I love you. Go ahead and I'll put the journaling in there and then do that, and then I still have to take my picture. Hey people, it's real life here. And then I'm gonna have to reprint this because I've stuck that sticker down and I do not like it, but I'm gonna wait until I have day 8 done so I can put them together. I'm gonna probably not have them in the sheet protector. But yeah, so there's day 5 and then 6 and 7. So I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I really do appreciate all the comments and love and support, and thank you for the encouragement from yesterday's video. I was having a little bit of a hard time, but I found my mojo. I'm back in it. I'm good to go. I got my Christmas decorations up, so I'm all good. So I knew that would make me feel better if I could just get those Christmas decorations up. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.